Hi everyone, my name is Sarah Ann Juckes and I am the author of The Hunt for the Nightingale, which is a contemporary adventure which follows 9-year-old Schuster as he walks across the countryside looking for his missing sister and bird. So I'm going to be talking to you today about what books and reading mean to me. And this is one of my favourite things to talk about because books mean an awful lot to me. I was reading books from a really young age. My dad impressed upon me the importance of reading, which is very surprising really, as he is not a reader himself. No one in my family is artistic at all. They're all kind of the sciencey types. But every week after school, we would go to the local library and we would be able to pick up any books that we wanted from that local library and bring them home, which was really important because I come from a working class background and we didn't actually own a lot of books when I was growing up. So libraries were so important for us to be able to fall in love with reading and explore those worlds. Some of my favourite books from that time included pretty much everything by Jacqueline Wilson. I just devoured them. I was also a big Harry Potter fan, of course. And I also loved the Fudge series as well by Julie Bloom and all the Goosebumps books as well, particularly the one with the gruesome twists at the end. So I started writing really as well when I was around the same age, and I started writing fan fiction to begin with. I wrote stories about vampires, and they were all Harry Potter rip-offs really, but all just about vampires instead of witches and wizards. I was also keeping a diary every day as well, which I found really useful all the way from about 9 years old until about 17, 18. Now, which are very funny to read back as an adult, I have to say. And I wrote my first book when I was 16 as well, so I decided that I wanted to be an author from that early on. I didn't have any role models really from where I grew up of authors that had kind of come from my specific background, but a brilliant teacher told me at university that you can do anything you put your mind to. And although it took 12 years and a lot of graft and hard work, I did manage to do what I put my mind to. So I am here to impart that same wisdom onto you as well. If there's something that you want to do, and even if no one in your family has ever done that before, you definitely can. You just need to work really hard at it and be the very best person that you can be in that way. So thank you so much for listening. It's been so lovely chatting to you, and I've been Sarah Ann Juckes, and thank you and goodbye.